Alright, it's been a while, but welcome back to another scuff tutorial for you streamers out there. Last one we did, I probably should redo at some point later on. Let me know in the comments if you guys want that. But that last one was for you to shoot other people in chat. That is, you just want to time somebody else out using channel points redemptions. Yeah, that's what that was for. But this time, we are gonna do something a little different here. We're gonna look at karaoke setups. Yay! Okay, so I have pulled up here on YouTube is a metronome for 120 beats per minute. So all we're gonna do is basically clap to the metronome, basically clapping to the beat, and we're gonna record us clapping to the beat. That's gonna give us an idea of what kind of delay we're having between our mic and our audio source, which is in this case is going to be Opera GX, which is where we're pulling YouTube through. So we're gonna go ahead and hit play here. Start recording on OBS. Oops, I didn't hit play. I did not hit play. So we're gonna hit play here and then start recording on OBS. And we're gonna start clapping. Alright, we'll stop the recording, hit pause here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the recording and see. No, we don't want to download. Okay, so right here, so there's a slight delay between the metronome ticking off and then when I'm clapping. I know I'm on beat over here, so you know, as I'm doing it, but like the stream itself is not on beat, so we need to get that on beat. So based on what we're seeing here, it looks like the audio is ahead of my claps. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add a delay to the audio source that is ahead. So that would be the, in this case, Opera GX audio. Whoops. In this case, it would be the Opera GX audio. So to add that delay, we'll right click on the audio source and hit filters. I'm gonna click add, and there should be a delay here somewhere. Where is it at? Okay. I think we need to, yeah, we'll remove this and add it as a seed instead of an audio source. Now from here, we should be able to add an effect filter. It's not an audio filter, it's an effect filter. From here, we would hit render delay, hit OK, and we'll do the delay by, it's hard to tell how much that is. We can just kind of guesstimate. We'll play around with it as we need to. Let's just do 0.3 seconds. That's going to be 300 milliseconds. Hit close. Then we'll record again. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's review the recording once more, see what we're looking at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hard to tell with that one. We'll have to play that one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's close enough. You'd have to be like super, what do you call it, attentive to really see. What's that word I'm looking for? You just have to have really, really good hearing to tell that there's like a huge difference there. But like if you're going to be using this for singing, it's going to be really hard to tell. So I think we have our delay properly set now. So just to take it from the top, what you need here is your audio source needs to be in its own scene. So I have Opera GX's audio in its own scene here. And the reason behind that is because if I were to try to apply that same filter, the delay I did earlier, it's not going to be in here. I tried doing it with an audio move, but it's not there. It's technically not an audio filter, but it is an effect filter. So if I go here into the main source, I have Opera GX's audio source added as a scene and not directly as an audio source. I was able to pull it up as an effect filter. And this is where the render delay filter comes out. I don't think you need any plugins for this. This is where you get the 300 millisecond delay from. You have to add it in yourself. And I just kind of guessed at it. So I'm a little bit off, I think. But, you know, for karaoke, it's as close as I can get it. So I'm working with that. Anyways, that is how you get your audio delay set up for your karaoke setup. Anything else beyond that? Last sets for VTuber karaoke shit, whatever. Wrong place for it. Wrong place. Good luck with that. Have fun. Knock yourselves out. Fucking go nuts. Have a good day.